Hello everybody. This video is an online Linsn LED setup tutorial. I'm your host Frank, and together we will go through all the steps necessary to make your Linsn LED wall work with the LEDSET software. So let's get to it. First of all, we need to connect our Linsn processor via the USB cable to the laptop or computer. Then open the Linsn LEDSET software. Double check that you use the correct version of LEDSET. To know this, check the configuration files and README files. At the main page of the software, we will find all the information about our sending card, model, and hardware. And most important, the connection status between our computer and the sender card. In order to move on with our setup, we need to have a green connection, and the status should be connected. After accessing the Screen Configuration tab, we will be prompted with the submenus for the sender, receiver, and display connection. In the Sender Configuration screen, we will have to choose our working resolution from the drop-down bar, either its standard or custom, and the preferred refresh frequency. Check your hardware's refresh frequency via the Check Hardware button and adjust if necessary. If you work with a custom resolution that you cannot find in the Resolution drop-down tab, hit the Custom button and modify the parameters according to your source's custom resolution and refresh rate. When all parameters are filled in, go ahead and save to sender. After you have successfully configured your sender, it's time to move on and configure the receivers, the LED panels themselves. Under the Receiver tab, first of all, we will have to load our LED screen's correct RCG file. And choose our refresh rate under the Synchro Refresh drop-down bar. Use Never Auto setting. After we made sure we have the correct RCG file, we will send to receiver, then check if our LED panels are reset and working correctly, and press Yes to the prompt question on the screen. If we notice anything strange with the LED panels, we can revert them to their previous configuration by pressing No to the prompt question on the screen. Make sure you always double-check your RCG file, as it can lead to malfunctions if it is not the correct file. After send, we repeat this step for save to sender. Next, we will have to configure our display connection in the way that our panels are connected via the data cables. First, we will have to fill in the number of horizontal and vertical panels that our screen consists of horizontal card/vertical card. Under selected card information, we will need to fill in the horizontal and vertical number of pixels for one panel under width and height, and patch the panels starting from number 1, according to the way they are cabled from front view. Click first on Correct Sender Device, and then on Port Number, and then in the connection matrix the right panel. With older systems, it is U and D. U is number 1, D is number 2. From now on, you can use arrow keys on your keyboard to make connections. After making our connection matrix and double-checked for any faults, it is time to next step. For older generation receiver cards, make sure you have checked the compatible old program box on the right bottom side of the page. Older generation receiver cards are 8th generation or cards older as the year 2020. After we made sure our connection file is correct, it is time to send our connection file to the receiver cards, and we can do that via the Send to Receiver button. If everything looks good and worked fine after send, then it's time to Save to Receiver button. Confirm Save to Receiver by button Yes. And finally, we can save our connection file on our computer via the Save to File button on the bottom side of the page. This is handy for later use and updates. Back in the main menu of LEDSET, after our screen is configured and in its final form, we can adjust and fine-tune the appearance of our image on the screen via the Brightness menu. Here we can adjust the brightness and contrast with the use of the drag sliders, and we can also adjust color temperature by checking the Customize box. After all your parameters are set, click the Save to Screen button, and your screen is ready for showtime. Very important point of attention. Make sure you always double-check your RCG file, as it can lead to malfunctions if it is not the correct file. Be sure to check the online help provided by Pixelscreen and check website support.pixelscreen.eu if anything is unclear or uncertain. I wish you the best of luck and a beautiful visual feast. Support by chat is also possible. I look forward to beautiful images. See you later.